Hey everybody, welcome back. So I am in Target. I'm actually at the back to school section. I came down here, I think it was a few days ago, and everything wasn't put out. So today we're just gonna go through and see what they have out for back to school. Okay, what are these? Here's some slap rulers for 88 cents. Oh, these are fun. The ones that slap around your arm, and they have different ones. That's not bad for 88 cents. Masking tape or scotch tape for $1. You got these index cards with the carrying case for $3.29. That's a cute pattern. The index cards are 49 cents. Packs of erasers are 50 cents, and you get 25. Or you can get the 2 smudge-free erasers for 50 cents. The Papermate is $1.49. And these pencils with 24 of them is $4.49. Ooh, the Sharpie Clearview. These are $9.99. I like these. Mechanical pencils. Wow, that's a lot for $3.99. That is definitely a good deal. So you get 26 plus 4. Not bad at all. This pack is also $4.99. And you get 50 of them in here. And all those rainbow colors. This one is just big. So I think I will go with this one. Pencil cases by Yubi, $6.99. That one. Oh, these are cute. The fruit for $3.99. Oh, look at this. It's a chili pepper. I like that one. And this was like late silicone. They also have a carrot. Look at that, a banana. Okay, those are cute. Is there anything else? No, but they do have these watermelon and an orange by, let me see, I don't know. Is that the green room? The green room. But I like that pepper. And then you got some more for $6.99. Oh, look at that. The goat for $2.99. Namaste all day. These are by Yubi. Pencil organizers, $7.99. This one is $9.99. I think I like the style of this one. Look at that. $7.99. Binder zipper case, so it has 3 holes in it for your binder. $5.99. This one is cute. And this one you get a small little pouch with it, and that's $5.99. Supply boxes. These are $12.99. This one is cute. Okay. Over on this side you got these slim 3-ring pouch, $5.99. Put a smile on your case. This is cool. Look at that. You got a grill. And that's cute. Chill Vibes, $5.99. So they got a few of them. That one. $3.99. This one is mesh. These are $6.99. These are like a hard case. This one is cute. It has all the zippers on it and it goes in your binder. That's not bad. This is only $2.38 and they got different colors. Here's a zip it pouch for $6.99. That one comes in gray, and then they have some more hard cases down here. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look, they even have a Toy Story and a Harry Potter. And these are all $6.99. Scientific calculators are $15.99 for that one. This one is $12.99. This is like the mega one for $96.99 and $54.99 for the Casio. You got the compass and compass and protractor set for $2.59. Swing line staplers are only, this one says $7.59, but this one is $12.29. But this one is bigger. And then they have that cute pink peach color one up there for $4.99. They got different colors. I like the pastel colors. Those are $5.79. Okay, down here you got some big highlighters, 4 plus 1, so you get 5 for $169. And they got different ones. These are $129. And you get 2 extra. Oh look, they got some lunchbox notes. Let your cutie know you love them. You get 24 in here. So these are more like the unicorn theme, and these are $3.99. And then they also have this one. Happy Friday. Oh, these are cute. I like this one. Okay, Elmer's glue is 50 cents. The 2-pack of glue sticks is 75 cents. Or you can get this one. It's purple, goes on purple, dries clear. You get 12 for $3.99. They got the jumbo stick for $3.99. Ultra clean washable markers are $2.79 for 10. Or you can get the Target brand for 50 cents. And you get 10 of them in this one as well. Crayons are $2.49 for 24. Cute Fiskar scissors for $3.99. I like these because they come with all kinds of different patterns on them. I think I just saw some down here. Yeah. Look at that floral design. I like that one. So these are $3.99. And you get these kid scissors with 2 in a pack for $2.29. Here's a nice big pack of gel pens for $12.99. You get 30 of them in there. That is like awesome. And they also have glitter. So you get your plain colors and you get your glitter. And then you got these Papermate Flairs for $26.49. Here's some limited edition Papermate Flair candy pop felt tip pens for $6.49. Those are so pretty. You got these for $15.99. They say won't bleed through paper, and you got these are the vivid colors. So what is that? Porous tip pens for $6.99. So they got all kind of different pens, of course. These, I don't see, well, $5.99 for these. And then you got these, the soft Bic fill for $7.99. This whiteout is $3.19. And of course they got a bunch of cute notebooks. Most of them are $2.50, but I do see some that are $2.99. The ones that are $2.99 are a little bit bigger. Look at that. Look at the avocado with her ponytails. That is super cute. Sloths in the tree eating pizza and ice cream. I like the paper airplanes. $2.50. Cactus. Llamas. This is how I roll. That's cute. These are all $2.50. Stay fabulous. Make waves. Oh, they even got Forky. I'm homemade. Okay, and then the rest of the stuff is pretty much folders and, you know, stuff like that, but they're still putting stuff out, so I don't want to interrupt what they're doing. There is another area over here. Let me show you. Right here, it says More the Magic. I wanted to show you guys this because this little area is cute. This pencil case is $6.99. This one has the little sequins on the inside for $5.49. This is $5.49. Isn't that pretty? You got this one, $5.49. Look at the zipper on that one. It's big. Down here, you got this one. I like that color. Kind of has that like scaly print like mermaid. I believe these are $5.99 as well. These are 99 cents. They're like erasers. This one looks like a kiwi, strawberry, and a lemon. But these are the ones that you can cut down and use different sizes. So you can use it big like that, or you can cut it in half and share with your friends. I like those. Rulers. What is this? Slime. They got some cute folders, $4.99, $1.69. These, Always Be Kind, for $6.99. This is $8.99. It says it lights up. Try me. Oh, look at that. You push the button and it lights up. That's cute. Down here, $7.99. Put your message here. Oh, it has slots, so you can put notes in there if you want. That is $8.99. Okay, right here, look at this. It's a binder planner kit. Look at that. It comes with like the sticky notes and all kinds of stuff. The tabs for the months. So it's pretty much already put together for you. Just a girl with goals. This is cute. Where is it at though? I don't know. I don't see a price for this one. I don't see the price. I will keep looking though. But for now, you got these for $10. And you have a journal. Fun pens. Wear or put in your notebooks. More journals, and then more paper. Then up here, magnetic letterboard for $7.99. Locker magnets, $4.39. Light up magnetic locker cup is $5.49. And then you got a mirror. Let's see, it says try me. Oh, it lights up. I don't know if you can see that, and that's $4.99. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much it for right now. Like I said, they are still stocking. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be filled in. But for now, I'm going to get out of here. I hope you enjoyed this quick walkthrough, and I will talk to you in my next video. Actually, stay tuned because I'm going to go back up to the dollar spot. I saw a few things when I walked in. These are $4.29. Okay, bye, you guys.